And the other thing that I don't like about these bloody copyright laws is I can't have music playing now while I'm building scenery. Because otherwise it gets picked up by the microphone and so I can't use it. Hey. I can't use that. I'm making lots of mess right now. This is great. You know, it probably would be more appropriate to stir this with something other than a very thin end of a paintbrush. That way you get better movement, etc. in there. But so that black paint turns this grey, obviously, as you can see. That's going to help me know where I've applied this. And just so I get myself ready and prepared, I'm going to go grab some cardboard. Because this stuff will run a little bit. We don't want it flying all over the place as we move these bits and pieces around. So I should be back in half a second. Okay. So I'm just getting this piece of cardboard so I can move these out of the way in a minute, because these also need to dry, and I'm pretty sure that by the time we've stuck this on here, those craters over there will be dry. So this isn't supposed to be a complete coat over this whole thing. I just need something to break up the uniformity of the beads and the glue sticking these layers together. You can play around with the mixes yourself. Not a huge fan necessarily of sand. Sand is, yeah, not something I'm a huge fan of. I like to use plaster, I like to use sawdust. I don't know why. Sand just has this really unusually gritty texture. I mean, I don't like concrete that's got sand on it, for example. Concrete, no, that doesn't work properly. Concrete is done like that. It has a slight texture, but it's smooth. It's not sandy. And that you do with a proper undercoat. And that I'll show later on. Alright, yeah, well, it's on the workbench. You'll see it. Lots of people have mentioned about the the city fight tutorial, the 40k building tutorial, city fight thing, whatever they were called, the 8-part video things. What happened to the 9th part? Well, yeah, well, some people know, new subscribers perhaps won't know that the subsequent videos after that one got lost. So I don't have the footage anymore. I did have a big hard drive crash, I lost a lot of stuff. So I'm going to redo those. Maybe in this style, off the workbench or whatever I was calling it before. Does it need a real flashy name? Maybe it does. Of course not. Stupid idea.